What is good, my guys and girls of YouTube? It's your boy Justin Omoi, and I'm here with a video for y'all today on speaker monitor stands. Not sure if this box could give you any justice, but that's how it looks right there. I don't know if y'all noticed, but I haven't been using the speakers a lot in my videos, and perhaps maybe you can see it probably in my gameplay videos. You can see the speakers are just in the background, not even connected. It's on top of this piano, at least not anymore. I put on a stand, obviously. And the main reason was because, one, it just took up so much space, and two, I didn't really need it. I got headphones. These stands helps it isolate it from rumbling on the table, because, you know, they were on the table. Now they're on stands, so they're not on tables. They're on stands. But mess with your brain, mess with, you know, your hearing. Basically, you hear, and you're too, you know, occupied with the to hear the sounds. Those things will hit the wall and, you know, reverb, unnecessary sounds that you don't intend to hear inside the song. Similar to a car, how you hear ding, 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 and you see the mirror shaking. I put on, you know, you see all that. That's rumble, of course. And thus, we got them on stands. I know you guys and girls want my opinion, of course, and that's why I'm here. These stands are pretty cool. It's actually nice to see things like levitating instead of being on the floor. This stand in particular, by Jam Stands, it comes with little screw spikes that you can put into the floor, so if you got carpet like your boy here, you know, it stays. It's better than the rubber, which I show in the video of me assembling the thing. So the assembly is fast. All you got to do is basically take out the contents. Of course, you got the triangle, you got the pole, you got the rectangle piece. Take the Allen key from the bag. Yes, there's bags, and there's two Allen keys for some reason. Spin it clockwise or counterclockwise. Yeah, remove the bolt, put it under the thing, the triangle thing, the base, and then just screw it in. Easy peasy. The other side is the same thing. Just take out the bolt and then put on the rectangle, screw in the bolt, and there you go. You have yourself the stand. You just take the speaker and just put it on top and have a nice life. But wait, there's more. Studio monitor isolation pads. This one is for 5-inch monitors, which I believe is 5-inch plus. Doesn't matter. Different angle configurations. There's 5 different ways you could do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. Alright, so let me go ahead and get into testing with these. I have some songs that I've bass boosted for my own entertainment, so we could play those too, but let me start with the song of the hour.
They call me Big L.A. Big Silly, Big Money, Big Billy. One time in the market, you hear me. I can say some of these bars so you hear me. Let me rip it up for cuz in the back. Let me rip it, get a buzz in your hat. I'ma tell you how to cause an attack. Timberland ladies love on the track.
I know the test would be even better if I were sitting right here to test it with my ears, but at the same time, we're just testing out the sound and rumble. And yeah, there's not a lot of bass in this one. Let me just skip here. I don't know if y'all can see it, but the speakers are banging. I'm gonna go ahead and put these stands on the table, see if we hear a difference in terms of that rumble. Rumble will especially be heard if you have things on the table that could rattle. Like if I say these nunchucks. Nunchaku. Really kill your family still. Thinking he won't, goddamn it he will. Merely ill from Amityville. Fuck my cousin in his asshole. Slit my mother's throat. That's who Slim said he just signed in his phone. Kill your family still. Alright, now let me go ahead and put these phones on and see if there's a difference. For this, I'm gonna have the just the angle down. So let's see, this is angle downwards, right? Yeah. That's the reality here. You got to see somebody say they want to challenge me here. While I'm holding a pistol. I could definitely tell the difference right away when these were on the table versus on the stands. No rumble.
When accidents happen, when 1,000 bullets come at your house and collapse the foundation around you, when they found you, when your family in it, God's him and he meant it when he told you. Nearly ill from Amityville.
Alright, but for real though, I do hear a difference with these speakers, with these foam pads on. It's definitely more of a clear direct rather than hearing just the rumble, the feel, the vibration. That's the word, the vibrations. And before you say anything, yes, these stands do have their own pads, but that alone is not enough. Alright, battery is dying, but let me wrap this up real quick. These stands are absolute awesomeness because, once I said, it takes less space on your table, so you can put your N64s up there. Also, they do provide better leverage and better ear coordination when you do sit down. I tested it before, you know, when I sat down. The foam pads, the isolation pads, really do what they're told, you know. I'm not even just saying that out of just because I bought it. I'm saying it because I hear the difference. Hopefully this little test could help you guys and girls out. If you want to buy this, check the links in the description below because those are the links, and if you do buy it using those links, you'll be helping your boy out. This is not a sponsored video. I'm just trying to make some money off of the affiliate shit. One thing that I don't like about it, but you know, you can't really help it, is like I said, the space it takes up. But in the end, when you do look at it afterwards, it's pretty dope. It's pretty dope, I ain't gonna lie. It was worth moving the dresser and having the nuts feel a little bit hurt because of it. You know, I don't know the word y'all call it, but in coolie terms it's called goatee, when you goatee yourself. Anyways, thank you guys and girls for watching. My name is Justin, Omoi. Let me know what y'all think, and yeah, peace. I missed the snap. I'm out.